If you run a healthcare clinic, here's the truth. You're losing patients every single day, and you don't even know it. Missed calls, after-hours voicemails, lunch breaks where the phone just rings. Studies show the average Canadian healthcare clinic misses around 38% of calls every month. That's almost 4 out of every 10 patients who never get through. And they don't wait. They just call the clinic down the street. That's thousands of dollars walking out the door. What if you could answer every single call, day or night, without hiring a single person? Meet OpusCall. It's an AI receptionist built right here in Canada for Canadian healthcare clinics. It picks up every call 24/7, books appointments, sends intake forms, verifies insurance, answers patient questions, and it sounds 99% like a real human. You can set it up in under 10 minutes, no tech skills needed. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step, so grab a coffee, get comfy, and stick with me to the end. By the time we're done, your clinic will never miss a call again. Let's jump in. First thing, open your browser and visit opuscall.ai. You can switch between light and dark mode anytime from the top right. I'm sticking with dark. Click on 30 days free trial. You've got 2 ways to sign up. Continue with Google or use your email. I'll go with Google. It's the fastest. Pick the account you want to use, allow the permissions, and you're in. OpusCall will ask you a few quick questions about your clinic. I'll type my details and click continue. And that's it. Your 30-day free trial is active. No credit card, no commitment. Now welcome to OpusCall. This is your dashboard. Everything you need, right here at a glance. Up top, your daily numbers. Calls, bookings, average call length, and resolution rate. Toggle between today, this week, or this month. Below that, your call activity and quick actions. At the bottom, recent calls and your active agents. On the left, every menu you'll need. We'll cover each one as we go. For now, let's set up your first AI receptionist. Before you create your AI receptionist, you need to set up 3 things first: your tools, your knowledge, and your number. Let's knock these out one by one. Then we'll build the agent. Let's set up tools first. Click on Tools from the sidebar. You'll see a bunch of pre-made tools here. You can enable any of these, edit them, or build your own. Let me enable Book Appointment. Now fill in the details. This is where you set the rules for how your agent books appointments. First, pick your booking system. In-app bookings keep everything inside OpusCall, which is the easiest setup. But you can select other calendars too. Next, list your available services. Type each one, hit Add. Your agent will only book what's in this list. Set your buffer between bookings. 15 minutes is a good default. Gives you breathing room between patients. Toggle Send SMS Confirmation on. Your patient gets a text the second the booking is locked in. Hit Save Changes. Do the same for the rest of the tools you need. Each tool has its own settings. Enable, configure, save. If you need something that the pre-made tools don't cover, you can build your own custom tools in just a few clicks. To create a custom tool, click Create Custom Tool. First, pick where it saves data. Internal is recommended for most businesses. Give it a name. Then, write a clear description. This is what the AI reads to decide when to use it, so be specific. Pick a category: booking, communication, commerce, data, workflow, or custom. I'll go with the workflow. Now choose what this tool does. It can collect data, log notes, tag contacts, create tasks, or update status. I'll pick log notes. Pick where it saves: call record, contact record, or both. I'll select both. Last step, add the fields you want your agent to capture. For example, reason _ visit as a string marked as required. Add a quick description like why the caller is reaching out. Click Add Field if you need more. Click Create Tool. Done. Your tools are ready. Let's move on to numbers. Click on Numbers from the sidebar. You've got 3 ways to set this up: buy a new number, forward your existing one, or connect through SIP. Option 1, buy a new number from Twilio. Best for clinics starting fresh. Click Connect Twilio. Log into your Twilio account or sign up if you don't have an account. Once you're logged into Twilio, you'll see your account SZ and auth token below the dashboard. Copy both. Paste both into OpusCall and hit Verify and Connect. Now search for a number with your local area code so it feels familiar to patients. Buy it, and it's automatically wired to your AI agents. Option 2, forward your existing clinic number. Already have a number on your website and business cards? Keep it. First, follow the same steps as option 1. Connect Twilio and buy a new number through OpusCall. Then log into your phone provider, Bell, Rogers, TELUS, RingCentral, whichever you use. Find call forwarding settings and enter your new Twilio number as the forward destination. That's it. When patients call your existing number, the call quietly forwards to Twilio, and your AI agent picks up. You can also set conditional forwarding. Forward only after hours. Forward only when the line is busy. Forward after a few rings if no one picks up. Your call, your rules. For traditional landlines, dial 72 followed by your Twilio number to enable forwarding. Dial 73 to turn it off. If you get stuck, head to our support section. We have step-by-step guides for every major Canadian provider. Option 3. Bring your own SIP trunk. This one's for advanced setups. Skip it if you're not technical. Click Register SIP, pick your provider Twilio Elastic, SIP, Telnix, or Custom, and fill in your trunk details. SIP domain, port, transport, and authentication. Allow-less the IP's OpusCall shows you on the right side. Copy the sample config and paste it into your provider's termination URI. Hit Save Trunk. OpusCall will register with your provider and your existing number routes straight in. Once your number is added, it shows up in your agent setup. Done. Now let's upload your knowledge. Click on Knowledge from the sidebar. This is your agent's brain. Everything it knows about your clinic lives here. Pricing, hours, services, policies, FAQs, all of it. You've got 4 ways to feed it: websites, documents, extracted policies, and FAQs. Let's go through each. Click the Websites tab, then Add Website. Paste your clinic's URL. If you want to crawl the entire website under this URL, then keep Crawl Linked Pages on the same site turned on. If not, then turn it off. Now click Add Website. OpusCall scrapes your site and indexes everything. Your agent now knows what's on your website. Click the Documents tab, then click on Upload Document. Drop in any PDF, policy sheet, or pricing CSV. Insurance forms, treatment guides, intake forms, anything with text. OpusCall pulls the content out, indexes every paragraph, and your agent uses it during calls. Click the Extracted Policies tab. You don't have to do anything here. Once you've added a website or document, OpusCall automatically pulls out concrete facts. Cancellation policies, refund rules, appointment timing, anything that's a clear rule. Review what it pulled. If something looks off, remove it. If it's all good, leave it. Your agent uses these as hard rules during calls. Click the FAQs tab, then Add FAQ. This is for the questions your front desk hears every single day. Do you accept new patients? What insurance do you take? Do you offer Saturday appointments? Type the question. Type your exact answer. Group similar FAQs together so you can attach the right group to the right agent. Your agent answers these word for word. That's it. Now you've got tools, a number, and knowledge ready. Time to build your first AI receptionist. Click on Agents in the sidebar. This is where all your AI receptionists live. Hit Create a new agent. You'll see a bunch of templates. Each one comes pre-built with the right tools and policies. For this video, I'm going with Start Blank, so I can show you everything from scratch. Step 1. Basics. Give your agent a name. I'll call mine Lily. Pick a voice. You've got 16 Opus voices, plus OpenAI and Gemini options. Filter by male, female, or all. Hit play to preview each one.
I'll be handling your calls as your AI receptionist.
I'll go with Cove. Click Continue. Step 2. Identity. Type your clinic name. I'll put Bright Smile Dental. Set your agent's role. I'll keep it as assistant. Next, your greeting. This is what patients hear when the call connects. Default works great, or write your own. Below that, system instructions. This trains your agent how to talk and what rules to follow. The default is solid, but tweak it to match your clinic's voice. Click Continue. Step 3. Tools. This is where your agent gets its powers. You'll see all the tools you set up earlier. Book appointment, reschedule, cancel, send SMS, verify insurance, and more. Pick the ones you want this agent to use. For mine, I'd turn on most of them. Then click Continue. Step 4. Knowledge. Pick the knowledge sources this agent should pull from. Your websites, documents, extracted policies, and FAQs are all here. Select what's relevant. Click Continue. Step 5. Phone. Pick the number this agent will answer. The Twilio number you set up earlier shows up right here. Select it and click Continue. Step 6. Schedule. Set your agent's working hours. Leave it on default, Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, or check Set Custom Hours. Pick your days. Set your hours. Confirm your time zone. Choose your slot length. 30 minutes is standard. Want 24/7 coverage? Enable all 7 days and stretch the hours. Click Continue. Step 7. Review and launch. Quick review of everything you just set up. Name, voice, language, business, role, greeting, tools. Edit anything from here. Looks good? Click Create Agent. Your agent is created, but it's in draft mode. To turn it on, click Go Live. Done. Your AI receptionist is live and answering calls. Want to test it? Click Test and have a full conversation with your agent.
Hi, thanks for calling Bright Smile Dental. How can I help?
To edit your agent or modify something, click Edit and change whatever you want. You're all set. Now, let's explore a few more helpful features. SMS templates. Click on SMS templates from the sidebar. This is where you set up the text messages your AI agent can send during a call. You'll see a few templates already built in. You can edit them, turn them on or off with the toggle, or delete them. Editing a template. Let's edit Booking Confirmation. Click Edit. You can update the name, the description, and the message body. The key stays locked once it's created. Tweak the default message the way you want. Add your business name, change the tone, and add a thank you note. Just keep the variables in place so the agent fills them correctly. Make sure Enabled stays checked so your agent can use it. Hit Save Changes. Creating a new template. Click New Template in the top right. Give it a name. Something like discount_offer. Write a short description. This helps the AI decide when to use it. For example, sent when the caller asks about pricing or hesitates to book. Now write your message body. Use double curly braces for any dynamic info. Example, hi customer_name. Here's a special offer just for you. Discount_code. Book now at booking_link. Keep Enabled checked. Click Create Template. Test Send. Want to see how it looks before going live? Click Test Send on any template. Enter a phone number with the country code like +1 41 555 51234. Fill in the variables. A name, a date, a time, whatever the template needs. You'll see a preview of the exact message that'll go out. Hit Send SMS. You'll get the text on your phone in a few seconds. If it looks right, you're good to go. Your agent will use this template on real calls. All right, your foundation is set. Now let's look at what happens after the calls start coming in. Calls. Click on Calls from the sidebar. Every call your agent handles lands here. Up top, your headline numbers. Total calls, average duration, bookings, and escalations. Below that, filter by all, booked, qualified leads, or escalated. Or search by caller, number, or intent. Click any call to open it. On the right, you'll see the audio recording, the agent who handled it, the intent, and the full transcript. Hit play to listen back, or copy the transcript with one click. Turn into policy. See something the agent did well or could improve. Click Turn into Policy to convert the call into a rule your agent learns from. Click Add to Training to save this call as an example for your agent. Need a record for your team or compliance? Click Export in the top right. This is where you keep your finger on the pulse of your clinic. Listen back, spot patterns, improve your agent over time. Now let's look at your CRM. CRM. Every caller automatically becomes a contact. Your patient database, built right in. Up top, your numbers. Total contacts, active leads, pipeline value, and average lifetime value. Filter by all, leads, patients, VIP, or inactive. Or search by name, phone, or tag. Click Add Contact. Fill in the name and phone both required. Add email, status, language, tags, insurance, and notes if you have them. Hit Add Contact. Click Sync from Calls to turn every caller from your history into a contact automatically. Each contact card shows status, tags, calls, bookings, lifetime value, and last seen. Click any contact to see their full history. Every call, every booking, every note in one place. Now let's look at bookings. Bookings. Every appointment your agent books, plus any you add manually, lands here. Up top, your numbers. Bookings today, this week, confirmed, and all time. Filter by upcoming, today, past, or all. Switch between week and list view in the top right. Need to add a booking yourself? Click Manual Booking. Enter the customer name and phone. Add the service, date, time, and duration. Drop in any notes for your staff. Hit Create Booking. Click Sync Calendar to connect Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or Outlook. Every booking your agent makes lands directly in your schedule. Click any booking to view details. Now let's look at tasks. Tasks. Think of this as your daily to-do list, built by your AI agent. Anytime your agent runs into something that needs a human, it creates a task here. A patient asking for a callback, a question your agent couldn't answer, a follow-up that needs a real person, all of it shows up in one place. Filter by open, snoozed, done, or all. Search by title to find a specific one. Click any task to view the details, mark it done, or snooze it for later. Now let's look at Insights. Insights. This is where OpusCall thinks for you. It scans your calls and tells you what's working, what's not, and what to fix. Click Generate Insights in the top right. You'll see a 30-day resolution rate chart, your baseline Vs, current performance, and insights grouped by category. Filter and click any insight to see the fix. Run this every couple of weeks. Each insight is a small tweak that makes your agent better. Now let's look at integrations. Integrations. This is where you connect OpusCall to the tools your clinic already uses. Connect your calendar, your CRM, or any other tool that fits your workflow. Pick what you need, sign in, allow permissions, done. Everything stays in sync automatically. We're rolling out more integrations all the time, so check back regularly. Need something custom? Click Add Custom in the top right to hook OpusCall into your own systems. Now let's look at Team. Team. This is where you add your front desk, office manager, or anyone else who needs access. Click Invite Member in the top right. Drop in their email, pick a role, and send the invite. 4 roles to choose from. Pick the role that fits each person. You can always change it later. Now let's look at Settings. Settings. This is your workspace setup. Update your business name, industry, and how many locations you run. These details help OpusCall tailor your AI receptionist to fit your clinic. Hit Save Changes when you're done. Below that, your account info. Update your profile or sign out from here. Now let's look at support. Support. OpusCall offers 3 ways to get help. Submit a ticket, type a subject, pick a category, set the priority, and describe the issue. Hit Submit Ticket. Your ticket history shows up below. FAQs. Quick answers to the most common questions, with short walkthrough videos. Browse this first. You'll often find what you need without waiting. Paid support. Need faster help or a dedicated team? Pick a package that fits your needs, describe what you need, and the OpusCall team handles the rest.
And that's OpusCall. Thank you for staying with me through the entire walkthrough. I hope this made the setup process clear and straightforward. If you ever run into questions, the OpusCall team is here to help. Open a support ticket from your dashboard and they'll respond quickly. Now go focus on your business. Let OpusCall handle the calls.